Is there anything more comforting than a warm cup of hot chocolate on a cold day? Let's dive into the magical process of creating this beloved drink. The foundation of hot chocolate lies in its simple yet essential ingredients. We'll start with cocoa powder, the heart and soul of our drink. Milk, whether it's whole, skim, or plant-based, adds richness and creaminess. Sugar, of course, balances the flavors. And for those who love a little extra indulgence, we can add marshmallows, whipped cream, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Now, let's get cooking. First, combine cocoa powder and sugar in a saucepan. Gradually pour in your chosen milk, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Gently heat the mixture until it's warm and steamy. For a richer flavor, you can add a splash of vanilla extract. And there you have it, the base of your perfect hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a canvas for creativity. For a darker, more intense flavor, use dark cocoa powder. For a sweeter treat, opt for white chocolate. Love a little spice? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or cinnamon. And let's not forget the toppings. Marshmallows, whipped cream, chocolate shavings. The possibilities are endless. Pour your hot chocolate into a favorite mug, and take a moment to savor the aroma. Whether you're curling up with a good book, enjoying a movie night, or simply relaxing, this warm drink is the perfect companion. So, next time you're craving comfort, remember this simple recipe and indulge in the magic of hot chocolate. Let us know in the comments what coffee-related topic you'd like us to explore next. For more coffee adventures, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.